In this video I will show you the options Empower offers to adjust data labels for individual bars. I will explain this to you by this specific use case where one column in the chart should not carry the value as a data label, as is the case with the other columns in the chart, but should display the text target. To edit individual data labels, simply select them directly in the chart. You can also select multiple data labels and adjust them similarly. In the window that automatically opens when selecting one or more data labels, you can make numerous settings. If you want to create a specific data label that does not correspond to the suggested types, you can define a custom data label here. In this window, you can first specify which elements the data label should be composed of. In this specific example, no numbers, whether absolute values or percentages, should be displayed. Therefore, I will only select free text as an element. This can also be used as a prefix or postfix in combination with a value. In this case, I will only enter the text target. Now I have further formatting options in the so-called overlay menu, which is displayed directly in the chart above the selected data label. Here the text can be formatted as desired. Additionally, the text alignment can be adjusted, which is possible here. I hope this video has given you an overview of the adjustment options for individual data labels in Empower charts. Thank you for watching and goodbye.